I don't think people realize what they're missing out on if they don't mouth tape. I know a lot of people are skeptical, but the first time I ever tried mouth taping, it literally blew me away. Just look at this comment right here. I'm not much of a morning person, but after taping my mouth at night, I don't feel as groggy in the mornings. I feel a lot more well rested, and it gives me comfort knowing that I'm protecting my oral hygiene and my facial structure. I really like these tapes in particular because they have a small hole in the center. That way, for you first timers, you can start off with this one and then move on to fully covered mouth tapes. These are selling out pretty quick, so make sure to grab them at the link below.